You can locate the valve on the side of your radiator. To open and close the valve, you will either turn the valve anti-clockwise to open or clockwise to close. The gas expands or contracts inside the valve to push on the plunger. This allows more or less water to flow inside the radiator, consequently increasing or decreasing the radiator's temperature. Each of the settings, from an asterisk up to 6, relate to different temperature settings. The asterisk relates to the frost protection setting. Each of the other settings, from 1 to 6, will prevent the radiator falling below the temperature shown. You would use the frost setting when you are away from your property for a period of time. This setting ensures the radiator will not drop below 8 degrees in order to stop the water from freezing. The other settings are 1 for 12 degrees, 2 for 16 degrees, 3 for 20 degrees, 4 for 24 degrees, 5 for 28 degrees, and 6 for 30 degrees. Firstly, ensure the water supply to the radiator is off. Make sure the valve is fully open on setting number 6. Then unscrew the washer to remove the head of the valve. Place your decorator's cap onto the valve to ensure the valve stays permanently closed. This will make it safe for you to remove the radiator from the wall. Once the radiator is fitted back on the wall, unscrew the decorator's cap, making sure there are no leaks. Next, retrieve the valve head and make sure it is on setting 6, so it is easy to place back onto the radiator. The grooves inside the valve will match up to the nut on the radiator. Then you can begin to screw the washer down onto the radiator. You will have securely replaced the valve once there is no play with the fixing.